Hey y'all, your girl is outside. Oh, and it feels so good. Y'all, I've been working. Like, I think I've been working 12-hour days or 14-hour days. I'm not too sure, one of the two. Y'all, I go in at dark 30 and I get off at dark 30, okay? So, yeah, that's just what it is. So, it's the weekend. I'm finally outside and I'm about to go and run some errands. I decided to do something with myself. You know, when you work from home, it's so easy to just roll out of bed, work.
In 2 miles, merge onto US 80 West.
He disrespectful. Anyway, it's so easy to roll out of bed and, like, you know, work, and then, I don't know, get ready for the next day to do the same. So I haven't really done anything to myself, so I decided to put on just a little bit of makeup, a little spot of makeup to make myself feel a little bit better, and throw on my favorite sweatshirt, which is my Planet Girl sweatshirt. It's my favorite sweatshirt. And I'm gonna run a couple errands. So I decided to take you guys along with me to run these errands. Maybe a little shaky because I don't have my little tripod or my little stand, but that's okay. I'm still here. We're gonna trudge across the freeway and do a little bit of shopping. I really want to go to Target, y'all, because I got some home decor things that I really just want to check out, walk around and look at. But
Continue straight.
my husband told me, you know it's gonna rain. You know it's gonna rain. You know it's gonna rain. So be careful because it might start raining. So I'm like, and I hate driving in the rain. So he's just
Continue straight.
really, sir? We gonna do that. But anyway, so yeah. Alright, I'm about to get on the freeway. So let's trudge across the great city of Dallas. So you guys, I just went to the UPS store, dropped off the modem, and now I'm going to stop and get me something to drink and something to snack on because I haven't had anything to eat today. So I'm going to hydrate real quick. And I did, I left my bottle of water at home, so that's okay. So yeah, I come to realize that I really love this city. Like, I really am grateful for the move that me and my husband made. Like, I have been, okay, so I moved before. So when I graduated high school, went to college, met my son's dad, got married, had him, or maybe not in that order, had him, then got married, to be honest. And we moved to Oklahoma, we moved to New York, we moved to other places. So I've moved away from home, but I've been in my small town for 18 years. And y'all, I loved it there, but it's like, man, why didn't I move sooner? Like, and I'm not knocking, you know, like being from a small town. Like, I'm proud that I'm from a small country town, like very proud. But it's like, now that I'm here, there's so many things that, not that I feel like I missed, but there's so many options. Like, I'm looking at life totally different now that I moved. Like, and I don't know if this is age. It may just be age. It may just be that I'm at this age and stage in my life where I really don't care, like, what people think. I'm so happy with myself. I'm so content. I'm in love my husband, adore my husband, would never want anything to happen to me and my husband's relationship. But if it did, it doesn't make me. You know what I mean? Like, I was whole and complete right before we met. I was working on that. So I'm just in this great space, and being here in this area, it like broadens my horizon. Like, there's so much I want to do. And I feel like had I been here earlier, I may have done some things different. And not that I'm living with regret, because I'm really not. I don't regret anything, but I feel like, you I don't know. I may have been like acting in stage plays or just being creative in a different way, and maybe I would have had my stationery business off sooner, than trying to build it now. Like so many things and so many hopes and dreams that I have. I was a homeowner before. Like I've always wanted home ownership, and I did that before, but man, it could have been on a different level. I may have been in real estate. I may have been decorating, designing homes, like so many things. So I had this epiphany, like I came to this realization, I'm here now. And I can't change anything that happened back there. Like I can't change anything. And I'm grateful for all of it because it made me who I am today. But all of those things that I'm saying, I can do them now. It doesn't matter. Like I can start now. And I'm so looking forward to it. I'm in a great space. And being in this place, like this city, it's like, I don't know, it offers so many opportunities, I feel. So yeah, I'm just gonna reach up and get it. Like, I just feel like running to get everything. I don't know. And I think it's just this season. It's the season of life. It's where I am in life. It's where I moved to, the journey. Like, I don't know. I feel like anybody who can get up and move out of their hometown is winning. Like, you got courage. You got strength. You know what I mean? You have what it takes to make it. Because it's hard to sometimes just get up and leave. Because of the unknown, you don't know. You just don't know if you're going to make it. You don't know what it takes. You don't know the area. It's so many you don't know. But once you do it, man. I don't know, y'all. That's just how I'm feeling. That's just how I'm feeling. So, God is so. God is so. So, you guys, the reason why I even came to Target is because I had to see in person this black ceramic table lamp by Threshold. Y'all, this lamp is gorgeous to me. I love the way it looks. I love the shape, and I love that lamp shade. So pretty. So I had to come and check this out in person. It's $70, and they only had one. So I was thinking that I would use them in my bedroom on the nightstands, but they may be too big for that. So I didn't pick it up, but it is on my wish list. So I may get one. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to get that lamp. So I just went ahead and started shopping, kind of like looking around at all the lamps, and they had some beautiful lamps there. Some $45, some as low as even $12 on the end cap. And you'll see those. But yeah, that ceramic lamp, it's a must-have. And these little lamps right here I already have, and I only paid $8 for them, and they have them for what, $20? Yeah, I caught them when they were a deal. So yeah, y'all, so I also came to Target to check out the Hearth and Hand collection and also the Studio McGee collection. Both collections are beautiful. So yeah, enjoy the shopping trip. You fly back to me. You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall, floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here
that's what you make it. My shit been amazing, I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, and it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase, nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper, been all it for the waiters, but everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves, with everything to prove. Now it's going how I see it through my lens, but it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the I get. I've lost somewhere in my head, I've been at it all on my own, holding tight to the pledge. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you, afraid no one ever know me. I'm at the edge, and I can't get us out of my head yet. Looking like who I'm becoming, it's all I ever wanted. Never like me when you're sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they villainize me for they ever get to know me. They tell me that you need me, but your action didn't show it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives. But the weight down on my shoulder, found a way to hold it. I can't keep my focus, barely keep composure. Hard when I've been coping with all the pressure that I fed. Make it hard to hold my head, make it hard to get to sleep. Like I'm slipping from the edge, struggling to get a breath. Right the wrongs with the lead, life is not a guarantee. Niggas dying by the clip, self-prescribed to dealing mess. Now the way to flee the scene, I've been trying to get a grip onto something out of reach. Life is speeding to a peak, it's how I realize that I'm not the man I wanna be. I've been running from myself, we all afraid to die alone. Scared that's all it ever be. I've been scrolling down a feed, afraid we'll never get to see the type of liberation that we really need to set us all free. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the I get. I'm lost somewhere in my head, been out here all on my own. I'm holding tight to the pledge, I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you, afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't get us out of my head yet.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. My place, your place is my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. We can meet at yours next time. And you feel refreshing, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both your places like I do. My place like you do. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew. Then you let's face it, baby, you know all the places. My place is your place. My place, your place is my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do.
Y'all, I've also had my eye on these wicker bar stools. They're countertop bar stools, and they are really cute. And I would love to put them at my bar, but I also have wicker pendant lights. So I don't know if that's going to be too much wicker. So I'm kind of holding off on that. But I did go to Hobby Lobby, and I went to check out this clay pot because I also saw it on YouTube, and I thought, okay, that's gorgeous also. And I just wanted to see it in person, wanted to see how much it cost. It wasn't on sale, and I feel like next week they'll be half price. So I'm going to go back next week, and I'm getting that pot. Don't know where I'm putting it, but I'm getting it. All right, so your girl has made her way to Hobby Lobby. Girl, you is not in Hobby Lobby. So I'm in Lowe's, and y'all, I'm looking for some knobs and some pulls. I don't know if I want to go with these gold ones or the black ones. So those are the black ones, and those are the gold ones. And I kind of like the gold ones. So I'm going back and forth. I counted out the black ones already. But I don't know. I see these gold ones now, and they would look real good in the kitchen. So I'm trying to debate. I just don't know. These are cute. These would be different, but these black ones are, I mean, I guess they're typical, but, and see, this ain't the right size. This is what it looks like. See, it's something about that black and the white. I think I need to go with my original idea. That's cute. I need to make sure that all of these are the same size before I leave out of here. And it looks like they are. Okay. Y'all, this is about to be interesting. I am going to attempt to put these in myself. So I need one of these where I can align it and make it work. Oh, it came with one of those bits. So that's cool. So let me get one of these, because I think what I can do is just put it up against the cabinet on the corner, make the lines, or, you know, make the circles and go. Hopefully that's how that'll work. So yeah, let's see. DIY project on the way. Oh, it's about to go down. We are about to get some cabinet knobs, finally. one handle down. 20 more to go. So I picked up these stems from Hobby Lobby because you guys know I'm still trying to figure out this vase on this kitchen table. So yeah, let's see if we can do something with it. Okay, I think that's how I'm gonna leave it for now. I can't get this vase right. I don't know. It's not coming together. But I see other people with just like 1 or 2 stems in a big vase and it looks good. But I can't get it. Yeah, like it just ain't coming together. But I'm gonna leave it like that because it doesn't look bad. But it doesn't look like how I envisioned it in the photo. But it isn't bad, so honestly.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess.
I was really impressed with my little stick vac by Eureka. Y'all, it ran over that sawdust and took it up with no problems. Now I did have to run over a couple spots a couple times, but that was a lot of sawdust and it got it up really well. So I'm loving this little thing. Dyson who?
Yeah, I think my head always knew it, but
And I want to shout out my husband for all the hard work he put into installing the cabinet hardware. It turned out beautiful, you guys. I was going to give it a go, but he was like, I got this, and he got this. So yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. I pray that it blessed you, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
isn't it funny how much you made